Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Okay, did you enjoy your holidays? Yes? Are you obeying your parents? Okay, you are very good, right? Okay, are you studying your portion? Did you watch the video? I hope you have watched the video, right? Have you understood the chapter? Okay. Today we are going to learn the one words, that is fill in the blanks, and also the short question answers in this video. Okay, all of you please take your social textbook and a pencil with you. Clear? Okay. Okay, what is the title of the lesson? The title of this lesson is The Four Metros, right? What are the four metros? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are the four metro cities, right? Okay. Can you remember anything about this lesson? Yes? If you could have watched the video means you may remember, right? Did you read the lesson? Did you read the lesson? Okay. I hope you have read, right? See here, it is Delhi, right? The location of Delhi. It is the capital of India, and Delhi is the second largest metro city, and it is also a union territory, right? Some places of interest are Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate. We can see the Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar, even the Parliament House, right? In Delhi. Okay, the climate is very hot in summers, right? Hot dry winds called the Loo. Also we can see there. The winters are very cold. The summers are very hot and the winters are very cold, right? It is located on the banks of river Yamuna. Understood? Can you recall? Can you remember? Okay. This is about the Delhi metro city. Okay. This is the second largest metro city in the country, and also it is the capital of India, also a union territory. All the cultures, religions, languages and traditions are practiced here. So all the festivals can be celebrated in Delhi. Okay, children. Now see here Bombay, right? That is Mumbai. Mumbai was earlier known as what? Bombay. Right now we are calling as Mumbai. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is the first largest metro city in India. It has the largest port in India. Right? It is the financial capital of India. Okay. Festivals and culture. See, Marathi, Konkani and Hindi are the languages spoken in Mumbai, and Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in a grand manner. Bel Puri, Pav Bhaji, these are the special dishes, right? This Mumbai was earlier known as Bombay, the first railway line in India built from Mumbai to Thane by the British. Okay, the first line, railway line in India was built from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, the summers are very hot and humid, but the winters are very pleasant, and heavy rainfall will be there from the month of June to August. Okay, some of the places of interest in Mumbai, that is Marine Drive, then Gateway of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, then Shivaji Terminus, okay, Hanging Gardens and many more are there to see, right? Okay. Then Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay. The climate is hot and humid in summers. The winters are very cool. Okay. Bengali, Hindi are the languages spoken here, and Durga Puja, Kali Puja are the famous festivals, and Rasagullas, Sandesh and Mishti Doi are some of the special food of this Kolkata city. Okay, then places of interest: Victoria Memorial, Eden Gardens, then what? Belur Math are some of the places of interest in Kolkata, right? Okay, all the pictures, most of the pictures are in your textbook. You can refer your textbook. Okay. Yes? Please go through the textbook once again from the beginning. Understood? Okay, now Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, right? You all know that, right? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and it is located on the southeastern coast of India, right? It is earlier known as Madras. Okay, the four dynasties of this Chennai, Pallava, Chola, Pandya and Vijayanagar, the capital of Tamil Nadu, right? Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and four dynasties, Pallava, Chola, Pandya and Vijayanagar. Then the festivals and culture languages spoken here is Tamil and Pongal is the harvest festival, important festival. Okay, Bharatanatyam is the important dance. Okay, then the famous dishes idli, dosa, vada, sambar, rasam. These are the famous food of the Tamilian people, Tamil Nadu. Okay, then places of interest, Malvar Kottam, Marina Beach, Santom Church, Vandalur Zoo, Government Museum. These are all some of the important tourist spots in Chennai. Okay, children, please go through the book once again. Now we come to a fill in the blanks. Please take out your pencil to mark the fill in the blanks. Okay, children? Yes. Take chapter 1, fill in the blanks. First question. The buildings in Delhi city reflect the grandeur and majesty of Mughals and British. The buildings in Delhi city reflect the grandeur and majesty of dash and dash. Mughals and British. Okay, Mughals and British. The dash is a stone memorial in Delhi built for the soldiers who died in World War I. Dash is a stone memorial. India Gate. India Gate is a stone memorial in Delhi built for the soldiers who died in World War I. Now question number 3. The largest port city in India is dash. Which is the largest port city in India? Mumbai. Mumbai is the largest port city in India. Okay, number 4. The favorite dish of the Bengalis is dash and dash. Rice and fish. Rice and fish is the favorite dish of the Bengalis. Okay, last one. Chennai was earlier known as dash. Madras. Chennai was earlier known as Madras. Okay, please learn all the one words thoroughly and also go through the book, mark the important points and learn the one words. Okay, children, learn all the spellings thoroughly. Please write in your textbook with your sharp pencil. Okay, are you following me? Okay, I hope so. Okay, now come to choose the correct answer. Okay. First one. The dash is the largest mosque in India. Dash is the largest mosque in India. Please tick the option 2, that is Jamma Masjid. Okay, 3 options are given in your book. Please tick the option 2, Jamma Masjid. Okay, then second one. The dash was built to honor King George V and Queen Mary. The dash was built to honor King George V and Queen Mary. 3 answers given there. The correct answer is option 2, that is the Gateway of India. Please put a tick mark in option 2, that is the Gateway of India. Okay. Then the third one, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport is located in dash. The answer is Mumbai. Tick the option 2, Mumbai. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport is located in Mumbai. Okay. The fourth one. Dash was the capital of India till 1911. Dash was the capital of India till 1911. Old Delhi. The option first one is the answer. Put tick mark in the first option. Old Delhi. Old Delhi was the capital of India till 1911. Okay. Now New Delhi is the capital of India, right? Okay. Last one. Dash is the most famous festival of Kolkata. Dash is the most famous festival of Kolkata. That is option 1, Durga Puja. Durga Puja. Okay. First, the dash is the largest mosque in India, Jamma Masjid. The dash was built to honor King George V and Queen Mary, Gateway of India. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport is located in Mumbai. Dash was the capital of India till 1911, Old Delhi. Dash is the most famous festival of Kolkata, Durga Puja. Okay. Have you marked? Okay. Now match the following. Okay. Please put the correct number in the near the right side of the answers. Okay. Here the answers are given directly. Okay, children. Yes, first one Shah Jahanabad. Okay, the first one is Shah Jahanabad. The answer is Mumbai. Okay, the answer is Mumbai. Near Mumbai, by the right side, you have to mark as 1. You put number 1. Okay, Shah Jahanabad, Mumbai. Then the Parliament House, Old Delhi. Parliament House, Old Delhi. Okay, then the Marine Drive, Chennai. Marine Drive, Chennai. Rabindra Setu, New Delhi. Fort St. George, Kolkata. Fort St. George, Kolkata. Okay, yes. Shah Jahanabad, Mumbai. Parliament House, Old Delhi. Marine Drive, Chennai. Rabindra Setu, New Delhi. Fort St. George, Kolkata. Okay, have you all marked the answers? Have you completed fill in the blanks, choose and match? Have you all completed? I hope so. Okay. Okay, now answer in short. Okay, answer in short. Okay, let me read the question with the answer. Please note it. Okay, I'll send the PDF. After that, you can copy in your classwork note. Right? Okay, question number 1. Name the 4 important metro cities in India. Name the 4 important metro cities in India. Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. Okay, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata are the 4 important metro cities in India. Okay, number 2. Where is Chennai located? Where is Chennai located? Chennai is located in the southeastern coast of India. Chennai is located in the southeastern coast of India. Okay, once again, name the 4 important metro cities in India. Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata. Right? The second one. Where is Chennai located? Chennai is located in the southeastern coast of India. Now question number 3. Which is the largest metro city in India? Mumbai is the largest metro city in India. Which is the largest metro city in India? Mumbai is the largest metro city in India. Okay, number 4. What is a metropolitan city? A metropolitan city or a metro city is a large and important city which is densely populated. Okay, what is a metropolitan city? A metropolitan city or a metro city is a large and important city which is densely populated, where we can see more people, right? Okay, 5th one. Name some places of interest in Chennai. Marina Beach, Valvar Kottam, Vandalur Zoo and the Gindi National Park. Okay, these are some places. There are more places to see in Chennai. Okay, yes, here are some places you are learning. Name some places of interest in Chennai. Marina Beach, Valvar Kottam, Vandalur Zoo and the Gindi National Park. Okay, please learn all the spellings thoroughly. Yes, without learning the spelling, with no use of writing test. Okay, children. Please read the answers once again and study all the spellings thoroughly. Okay. I hope you will follow this. Right? Okay. I'll send to you the PDF later. Okay. Okay. In this chapter, you have learned about the 4 metro cities: Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi. Right? Okay. Understood the chapter? Have you all understood? Okay. Have you all marked the answers in the book? Okay, please go through the book once again and learn. Okay. Okay, thank you children. See you in the next class. Bye.